This is the Victor Multi-Kill electronic mousetrap. Let's have a look at the best mousetrap ever, coming up. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. So when we started to get everything ready for the solar panel install, we probably disturbed some mice. Now we got them in the house, but not for so long. This is the Victor Multi-Kill electronic mousetrap. It's able to get up to 10 mice in one night. No, we probably don't get that amount of mice here on the urban homestead, but when we are done here, we will take it to the homestead in the woods. We've got a lot more of them. Do you get any trouble with mice? Please leave your answer in the comments. So this trap runs on 4 C-type batteries, and according to Victor, being able to kill up to 100 mice. Down here is the compartment where the mice gets disposed after being electrocuted in the top chamber. This box can house up to 10 mice. This is how the trap looks inside. The top part flips around after the mouse is killed. This is the top chamber. It's in here the action takes place. The mouse comes up through this hole and makes its way to the bait on the other side. When the mouse touches the inner metal plate, it gets an electric shock for a couple of seconds. And to be sure, it gets a second shock before getting disposed into the chamber. Now it's time to put in the bait. I'd use some cheese, but peanut butter is the best. Then you just turn it on and the green light will turn on, and then off again. The trap is now armed. On the backside there is some stairs so the mouse can climb up into the trap. I put some bait here too. I will leave a link to this trap if you want to pick one up for yourself. They are totally worth their price. So now we place the trap and go to sleep. The first night we put it in the trash container, but we got no luck there. The second night we placed it up against the wall. And bingo! We got one! This trap really works well and there is no mess. Just empty the container in the trash and rebait it, and you are on your way to catch more mice. After a few nights, we are totally mice-free. What do you think? Would this trap work for you? Please leave your answer in the comments. If you liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. That really helps me figure out what kind of videos you like to see. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in a week.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.